Yo, what up, guys? This is Josh again, here with a quick video. We're going to be taking a look at the Airtag that came out from Apple a few months back, and we're just going to do a quick unboxing. And what we're going to do with this is I have a case here for the Apple TV remote, and this case is specifically made, as you can see, there's a little indentation there. You take the Airtag, put it in this case, plop the remote in here, and you will never have a lost remote again. You'll be able to track the remote using the Airtag. So let's just take a quick unboxing of this. I already took the little sticky off earlier. So you just open it like that, and in here just your classic paperwork, nothing else in the box. Papers, and here is the Airtag right there. Fail. And right out of the box I drop it. Let's focus in here. So there's a little plastic seal here. Just take that off, and as soon as we pull this, it will be activated and turned on. So let's pull it, and you hear that? It's ready. So let me bring over my iPhone. Very easy to set up. Just bring it close to your iPhone, and there you're gonna get that prompt. Let's connect. This custom name, we're going to just get focused here. It's gonna name it Apple TV Remote. All right, Apple TV remote. Choose a remote. Do they have a remote control emoji? No. Just put like a TV or something. There we go. All right, I just cut it away because it showed my phone number. But all right, so it's setting up. Done. It is all done. So now let us hook it up to the remote here. I wonder which way work best. Let's try it down like this. Or do we slide it? No. Okay. So all you do is just take the remote, bam, slide it in like that. Pause. And I'm going to take the Apple TV remote, slide it in here. It does fit nice and snug, and there we go. You have access to all the buttons, has a little opening on the top, and we still have a cutout for the Siri button. So let's just quickly show you how it works in an event that it does get lost. Alright, so to find the remote, what you want to do is you want to go to the Find My app. You want to go to Items. You're going to click Apple TV Remote. You're going to have some options here. There's an option to play the sound. So let's try that. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's making a faint noise. That's one way to find it. And there's this option here, Find Nearby. We click that, and because it's right near me, all I have to do as I go closer to it, or as the remote comes closer to me, you see it's finding the remote. So it's really cool. This could be used for like a wallet. This could be used for your keys. This could be used on pets. I've seen people put it on their dogs and cats, in their car. People put it in their car. There's many different options to use this for. And there's an option here. You can still play the sound from here too. So yeah, I'm gonna be checking this out for a few weeks, see if it's worth it. This is $30, or you get a 4-pack for $100, I think. I might be wrong. But yeah, guys, show some love, like and subscribe. I'll check you guys later for the next video. Take it easy.